Welcome to FebHouse's channel. Today, I will guide you through the installation of the SunDiagram extension in SketchUp. After purchasing the product from the Gumroad store, you will receive the product and a license key. Download the extension to your computer. Open SketchUp. This extension is compatible with SketchUp 2020 and later versions. Please upgrade SketchUp if you are using an older version. Go to Extension Manager. Click on the Install Extension button. Locate the product file you just purchased in the Downloads folder. Select the file Feb_SunDiagram Pro and click Open. The extension has been installed in SketchUp, and the license key input window will appear. You can find the license key on the purchase page or check your inbox for it. Copy the license key and paste it into the About SunDiagram window, then click Verify. A success notification window will appear. If it doesn't succeed, please try again and check your network connection. Once the installation is complete, the SunDiagram extension will appear in the Extensions tab. Thank you for watching the video. If you encounter any issues during the installation, please feel free to contact me.